Welcome to HuzzTech. Today in my video, I will tell you how to install Composer in Windows 10. First of all, let me tell you that how would you know whether the Composer is installed or not, or which version is installed. So go to Windows Search and open Command Prompt and write here Composer -v. When you will enter, you will receive this message that Composer is not recognized as internal command. So it means that Composer is not installed. So firstly, open this website. I will give its link in description. Composer is basically a dependency manager of PHP. So for this, it is very important to have PHP installed. If you don't have PHP installed in your system, then watch my video in which WAMP server has been installed. I will give its link also in description. More, you can install by downloading WAMP, XAMPP, MEM or direct PHP in any way. Now click on download. There are two ways to install it. First way is of window installer and second one is of command line. In my video today, I will tell you the first way and the second way I will discuss in my next video. Now we will click on setup. The file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded it. Now I open it with right click. Now it's asking to install for all users or only for me. So I select all users. Now it's asking to enable mode of developer or not. If you are beginner, then let it be unchecked because it will not be created uninstaller. I click on next. As I had told you before that it is necessary to have PHP installed. It has set its path by default which PHP I have installed. If you have installed PHP through WAMP server XAMPP, so you can give its path here. For instance, if you want to install it through WAMP, then browse this path where it is installed. In my case, I have installed in WAMP D drive. So I go to D, then I will click on WAMP 64. So let me go to the D drive and any folder you installed, WAMP D, WAMP 64, and then click on bin PHP. You can see all versions of PHP installed. Click any version and php.exe file. I will install in default PHP only. There is no issue in it. Just this path of php.exe file must be correct. Click on next. Now it is asking of proxy URL, so there is no need of it. Let's click on next. Now it is telling that on which version the Composer is being installed. So click on install. Now it is installing. This may take some time according to your internet speed. Installation has been completed. You can see its documentation. Click on finish. Now we can see again whether it has been installed or not. Open CMD. Let it open. Now write Composer -v again and hit enter. If you receive this message, it means that the Composer has been installed and you can see its version as well. It was all for today. I hope you liked it. In my next video, I will install the Composer through the second way also, because sometimes it does not install correctly through installer. Give your feedback. Goodbye for now.